be a dream. This has to be a dream. This has got to be the best thing ever.
She said yes, y'all.
Yes, I did yes. So the calm after the past crazy 2 days.
Crazy 2 days.
Like a lot of things happening. So it's nice and peaceful now on the beach. Do you feel rested now, B?
I do. Had a nap. Wide awake now.
Hey, and there's some volleyballers over here. Charles wants to
Well, I have to challenge them.
start the tournament with the volleyballers.
The name of the game is volleyball.
Nice. This is basically a donut.
Oh, so you do remember?
Yeah. So they handwritten a little card, which is so cute. It says soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Aidenhagen. How cute is that? And then we are now going to be moved to the penthouse. Never been in a penthouse before, so this is quite new and exciting. But I'm loving this cake that I'm currently eating, which is nearly gone. They give it us for breakfast, but there was no way I could eat it after the pancakes. And what else do I have? Oh, fruit. I had some fruit for breakfast. And then another bouquet of flowers. I got flowers. I really want to take on the plane, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I'm going to have to do it. I might have to pack them in the case. Best hotel ever, literally. We're off to make paella. So one of the things that we like to do is always like to do a food cooking like experience. So we ended up going to the market to collect our food first with this experience. Okay, so we're about to buy the fish for the paella from the market. And so essentially all of the food that we use for the paella is all fresh and it's all been caught earlier on in the day. And yeah, there were so many stalls here. Obviously we were part of the group, so we couldn't really split up and have a look at them, but honestly I need to go back there because there's just so many different foods that you can taste. And then we went back, so we found seats to sit, and then we had like little tapas and a sangria, and then we all worked together to create a pound pudding and the paella, and it was just such a cool experience to do together. You with us.
You like my
One thing that was really cool is that they always put their rice in a cross, and then they always bless the food before obviously they fully cook it, and I just thought that was really cute. They also said that it's a family dish, so everyone's cooking together and everyone is kind of like in love with everyone's cooking skills, and it was just so adorable and I loved it. Okay, so welcome to the penthouse. Like, what the hell? We're actually I'm going to show you exactly what's here. But first of all, as soon as you come into the entrance, you have bathroom number one. Number one. Who has more than one bathroom in a penthouse or in any kind of hotel? What the heck? Okay, through we go to the lounge. And guys, isn't this just the lounge of your dream? Like, look at this view. You can literally see the beach here. It's honestly the most beautiful thing. And then if we go around the corner, to be fair, I can't even believe we're staying in this right now. Like, this actually is so crazy to me. Here are my flowers. I love my flowers so much. I'm just sad I won't be able to take them with me. So yeah, flowers for days over here. Okay, and then we have the TV cabinet. We can't kind of get the TV to work currently, but we're gonna need to call the butler. Like, what crazy world is that, calling a butler to come and get here? They even said there's an engineer for each room. It's actually bananas. So here's the small kitchen, but it has like a fridge and cooker and stuff in there, and then that massive table and another dining room table there, and we've got this curly stairs, which I think it's pretty cool, but I was just thinking that the penthouse was going to be 1 floor, not 2. Like, I'm just shocked that it's 2. So if we go through to the first bedroom, this is bedroom number 1, and then it's got an ensuite with double sinks in a penthouse, and then obviously you've got all of your little bits that you have like next to there, and this mirror is gorgeous. I would just love to have this as my bedroom. Even if I have a small part of it, it'll be so cool. A walk-in wardrobe, the bathtub, and then in the very end, the toilet. So yeah, let's go see where Charles is. I think he's in the other room. But how crazy is this? Like, we could have come yesterday, but we were too scared. we were too scared to come. So here we are on the next night. We basically asked, like, yeah, we actually want to see the penthouse. Can we go? And then this is the second room. And again, it has an ensuite and a bathtub and double sinks again. It also has a separate shower and toilet room.
Good in this.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. How am I looking?
You're looking good.
Yeah. Promise?
I promise.
You do it like a booger, just.
No.
Like, you're looking good.
No. How do you feel about leaving the penthouse?
The penthouse. Multiple stairs, multiple rooms, empty closets, empty drinks, hollow stairs, hollow halls. Penthouse. I should have been here. I don't know.
Nice poem.
Is that how you do?
A nice poem, I love it. No, but really, how do you feel?
Definitely spooky. I wonder what it would have been like if we had 2 nights here.
Yeah, it's spooky. Like, it's too big, basically, what we're saying is. It's too big because it's just feels lonely. And like someone's going to break in.
I mean, I was thinking that, but...
I couldn't sleep.
It's kind of like you're staying in like your friend's mansion and you're like, oh, just the 2 of us.
Yeah, weird, right?
Yeah.
But we will miss the views.
The views have been amazing.
Yeah, views are really nice.
Although I never used my butler. I never got to be bottled.
What would you have used it for? Can you bring me a bottle of water?
Yeah, I hope that's set objective for the butler to be bottled.
To be bottled? Okay, we're logging out now. We're going to take our cases. My flowers. I have to leave my flowers.
I have to leave my penthouse.
You have to leave your penthouse. I'm just taking all these teas. All these teas for us. After we left, we went down for breakfast, and again, I'm gonna miss this spread for breakfast. Like, they just had everything. This funny little thing here, they just had everything. Like, you could also order from the kitchen, so it just felt like we were truly relaxing on this holiday. And if you get to have a chance to go to the Hearts Hotel, it's definitely worth it. We're having a little stroll outside
In the garden area.
kind of nice, peaceful. Hobble?
You didn't even want to do this actually.
Oh, that's downstairs. Oh, you can see it downstairs here. The architecture in this place is stunning. Like, this was just the views outside, and I can imagine in the summer this would be full of people, but right now we're able to enjoy it and it's just so peaceful. Yeah, and then we just went into the Gothic Quarter and just kind of looked around the area before we then had to catch our flight into London again. And honestly, when we got back, it was the cutest thing because look at these cute balloons and decorations. It's so adorable.